Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a simple pour today, but first I want to tell you that today is my birthday and I want to gift one of you with a present. So I'm giving away this little acrylic painting I did a while back. I call it Big Bloom. It's already wired and ready to hang. All you have to do to be eligible to win is leave a comment down below by Friday the 21st. On Saturday morning I will draw a name at random and get your address and send it off to you. So that's that. And now to today's pour. Today I'm going to be pouring over this thing. I like the colors, but I don't like the way it looks. So I'd already varnished it. But I think that will maybe prevent any problem. Sometimes when you pour over a previous pour, it cracks if it doesn't work well with the pouring medium. I find if you use the same pouring medium, it's usually okay. I don't remember what this was, but I'm hoping that the varnish will protect any negative interactions. So we'll see. It's a small canvas. It's not a lot of paint I'm using. If it's a mess, I can always hose it off. So my colors today, I'm using the Artist Loft Ready Mixed Paints. I have extended them 50-50 with American Floetrol, except for the copper, because copper tends to break down, I think, when it's extended. I found that to be the case, I think. So copper, black, white, and cerulean blue, and then white with a bit of cerulean blue. So a very simple palette, and let's get to it. That copper's being very stubborn. Okay, here we go. I think I'm just going to do a straight pour in the middle, but turn my wrist. That's it. Keeping it simple. That copper tends to sink to the bottom. Here comes a little bit of it. No ribbons today. Okay. I don't usually dilute these paints when I do a pour like this, but I am running low on them, so I thought I would. Look how thick that copper was. I should have Maybe I should have diluted it as well because it's not moving like the others are. But I guess I'd rather have it. Isn't that weird? There's a big clump in the middle that's just not wanting to move much. What shall I do with that? I don't like that. I don't like that big copper. I almost prefer this kind of, what's the word? Oh, my old age. I can't remember. Subdued, maybe? Yeah, I don't like, I'm going to run that off. Even though there's some nice contrast there with the dark, but this is quite pretty. It's kind of ethereal looking, and this I don't care for. So off it goes. Maybe I should try scraping it. Now, okay, it's gone pretty much. I don't mind a little bit creeping back in. All right, now to work on the composition. Okay. I kind of like it. What do you think? Kind of spacey looking, celestial. Oh, I missed a little spot there. There. Yeah, I think maybe I could embellish this in some way. I like it better than what was underneath it. Let me bring you in for a closer look. Finally, the copper was not too bossy. I didn't add all that much, but you get all those cell-looking things when you add a lot of Floetrol. I don't love that look, but it adds some interest and texture to this piece, I guess, so that's okay. Limited palette, I tell you, my friends, you can hardly go wrong with, you know, three or four colors, and then darken or lighten a color to give you more variety, but they're all in the same limited palette family, and it works. Well, there you go. So, thank you for watching. And again, one last look at the giveaway piece. If you're interested, leave a comment. Okay, my friends, have a good day. See you next time.